Hey, so repossessions can just be a real bummer on a credit report. They hinder financial growth and opportunities. But you're a credit repair professional and you don't have to feel stuck. Welcome to Lesson 19 preview of our course, which is ChatGPT for credit repair business owners, where we're going to be pulling back the curtain on repossessions. We're going to help you gain insights into repos and their profound impact on credit reports. I'm going to personally show you how to use the intelligent assistance of ChatGPT to review, identify, and initiate effective disputes. We'll help you master the specific communication styles required that you need to make your case really compelling and also compliant. Okay? You're also going to dive into persuasive letter writing. You're going to combine expert strategies with AI to create removal letters that just hit the mark and get results. So with this lesson, repossessions won't be a persistent problem. Rather, they're going to be an opportunity to showcase your experience and impress your clients. So, with industry proven techniques and AI's assistance, you're going to be ready to turn the tide for your clients. Are you ready to become a master at reversing repossessions? I know you are. Go ahead and click the link below to enroll now. If you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. The road to financial freedom is just a click away. And with AI by your side, success isn't just a possibility, it's a promise. Join me today, join me now, enroll in our course, the link's below, and I will see you on the inside.